The future isn't built in years. It's built in milliseconds. It's built when decisions happen faster than thoughts, where intelligence is infinite, and where artificial intelligence becomes reality. But power like this doesn't come cheap. It doesn't come easy, until now. Because at ESDS, we've engineered GPU-as-a-Service. From super POD class infrastructure, InfiniBand speed to sovereign compliance, all in your control. Choose your business's firepower, trusted by enterprises, banks, and the leaders building tomorrow. Deploy your dedicated clusters, elastic clouds, or fully managed GPU environments. This is where India's artificial intelligence future takes shape. ESDS GPU-as-a-Service.